Okay, we're slowly but surely sorting out the wiring here. I got some extra stuff that we don't need anymore, so that's all cut out of there. But one of the weird things that you might get a kick out of is what I try to do is to go in there, and I've got the harness labeled, and I've got the steering column harness labeled, and one by one I am hooking the wires up. But the way I do that is I got a little temporary 12-volt power supply, and that water fell down here. And the 12-volt power supply, it's just temporary, but I've got the battery disconnected and I don't have anything hooked up, but I'm just checking circuits one at a time. So if I put power to the circuit, it turns the left front light on or turns the right front light on or something like that. And I've only got like 2 wires left, but I got one that's it says it's for the 4-way flasher. But when I hook it up to the 4-way flasher, it makes a funny noise on the flasher. You can hear it going. And look at your radio. It's a mystery. I got some more crap to do. I hate wiring.